Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making salmon fillets with a walnut and pecan crust. I know you guys going to love it. Y'all, this going to be amazing. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start off by cutting down a whole salmon. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and buy your salmon already cut into pieces, you can. I just preferred buying the whole salmon and cutting it. That way I can control the sizes of it and the portions. So yeah, so what we're going to do is start off by cutting our salmon down to size. And also, guys, if you're new to the channel, if you don't already know, everything that I use and the amounts, I always link them in the description box below. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and make the crust for the salmon. So we're going to go ahead and get out our food processor. We're going to add in the pecans, the walnuts. We're going to also add in the bacon. Well, these are bacon bits. If you guys want to use fresh bacon and cut them up, you can. It'll be totally up to you. Once you got it all together, we're going to go ahead and blitz it. Give it a quick mix. It should look like this when you're done mixing. Alright guys, we're going to start off with the binder. We're gonna, this is what's gonna hold the crust to the salmon. So we're gonna start with mayonnaise. But guys, I wanna show you this mayonnaise that I got from Walmart. It's made with avocados, so it doesn't have the soybean oil in it. So, you know, people on the keto diet really don't like the soybean oil. So this is a great alternative for mayonnaise on the keto diet. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add in some ground mustard now. And guys, this is gonna kick the flavor up. It's gonna give it like a tang flavor. It's gonna make it taste good. We're also gonna go ahead and add in about 3 cloves of garlic to the sauce. And we're gonna go ahead and throw in some parsley. And you can season it with a little bit of salt till you like it. All right, and once we have everything together, we're gonna go ahead and mix it. Guys, you can use regular mustard for this recipe. I don't like it because it changes the color of the sauce. It makes it more yellow. And I don't like that, but the ground mustard has a different taste and it lends a different texture to the sauce. That's why I use it. All right, moving on. So now that we have everything prepped, we're going to get out a large baking sheet. We're going to throw down some parchment paper, and we're going to go ahead and start adding our salmon to the parchment, and we're going to start spreading our sauce over the top of the salmon. Now, guys, you can put on as much sauce as you like. I preferably like a lot because I like the flavor of the sauce. If you taste it standalone, it tastes very good. I highly recommend using as much as the Lord allow. But it'll be completely up to you. But once we have our sauce on, we're gonna go ahead and add in on our crumbles, what we made earlier, the almond and walnut mixture with the bacon bits. We're gonna go ahead and add that on. And guys, once you got it add on, you kind of want to press it, not too much, just enough to get it to stick. And once you got that, we're gonna rinse and repeat. And we're gonna do that until we have all our salmons coated in the pecan and almond mix. And bacon, sorry, bacon too. All right guys, I probably should have mentioned this earlier in the video when we made the pecan and walnut crust. You can also add Parmesan cheese to that mix. It only makes it taste better and it makes it a stronger binder. The Parmesan cheese, the property that it brings to the crust, it makes it bond better to the sauce that we're using. So if you were to make this recipe again, just keep that in mind. You could also use a few tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, the finely grated one, that go into the crust. Okay, now that we have all of this done, we're going to be baking these in a preheated 425-degree oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. All right guys, while those bake, I want to go ahead and let you guys see what we did last week. It was the keto stuffed strawberry French toast. Guys, I'm telling you, hands down, the best French toast on keto that I've had is this one. So guys, if you get a chance, go check out the video. Drop a like if you like the recipe. and let me know in the comments on that video what you thought about it. Alright guys, getting back to our recipe at hand. So once our fish was done and out of the oven, this is what it looked like. Y'all know the motto here. We making keto easy by making everything keto. Oh, by the way, what you're seeing on the plate with the salmon, that's my keto seafood mac and cheese. I'll be uploading that along with this video, and I'll link it up in the card above. But if you like this recipe, go ahead and hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.